Hey guys, welcome back. We're getting ready to make a classic chicken parmesan, but we're going to do it with a twist. We're making chicken parmesan sandwich today, and it is amazing. Hang in there with me and let's get busy. Okay, so for this sandwich, we're going to coat our chicken. We're going to make an egg wash. So we have our egg, we have a little milk here. Then we're going to coat it in breadcrumbs, Panko breadcrumbs, as well as some Parmesan cheese. Now I already have my breadcrumbs here, so I can set this aside. Go ahead and add my Parmesan to my breadcrumbs. I'm also going to be using an Italian blend for the cheese. This is actually smoked provolone, Asiago, and Romano cheese. So that's going to be amazing. And for the sauce, we're going to use my favorite. This is a pasta sauce. It is a vodka pasta sauce. That's a tongue twister. So I'm going to mix this up right quick. And then we're going to get our chicken breasts prepared. Okay, so I also have some Italian parsley here. Now this isn't the curly kind, this is actually Italian parsley, which is quite a bit more potent, and it just has that umami flavor, guys. So I'm gonna crack my egg, get this batter made up here. Go ahead, pour in our milk, pour in a little bit of that, make sure I need all of it. Blend this well together. Now we're going to go ahead and chop up our parsley here, remove these stems. Just want to give it a good fine chop. We're going to add some of this to our breadcrumbs, and the rest will be for garnish at the end. Guys, we're going to be using the stove top and the oven. So you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to about 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Just a little of this into my parsley. The parsley is going into the breadcrumbs. I'm going to also add just a little bit of salt. You don't have to, that's up to you. Always salt and pepper to your taste. I'm going to add a little both to my egg mixture as well as to my breadcrumbs. Make sure you give everything a good mix when you add something in. Okay. Now I have one large breast here that has been washed and cleaned off, except I have parsley on my hands, but that's okay. So I'm just going to slice this in half, going this way right across the top to create two pieces because this is an awful large breast. I'm only making 2 sandwiches today, so that'll be perfect. Okay. So we have 2 pieces here, just about the same size. Perfect. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is dip them into our egg. Make sure both sides are well coated. And from there, we're going to dip it into our breadcrumbs. Always let the excess run off. Then we're going to sit it over here and let it hang out for a minute. We're going to take care of the other one. This is a real quick, simple recipe, guys. If you all like chicken parmesan, just the regular chicken parmesan, let me know down in the comments. Okay. So this is what they should look like before we do anything else. So we're gonna head over to the stove so we can get our buns done and those fried up. That's like a half a tablespoon each of butter. Go ahead and put your buns in there. We'll let those cook for a minute and we'll be right back. Okay, we should be nice and toasty now. Yes, looking good, looking good. Looking good, tasting better. They smell delicious. We're going to go in and add our oil. We don't need a lot. We're not deep frying them. We are pan frying them. So just a couple of tablespoons of oil should do. Coated chicken in here. Let that get nice and brown on one side and we'll be back. Okay, I think we should be ready to turn over here. Oh yes, look at that, golden brown deliciousness. You just want to cook them about 4 to 5 minutes on each side in the skillet. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, amazing, amazing. Because we are going to put them in the oven, so they'll finish off in the oven. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so they are nice and golden on both sides. Take a look. That's one side and the other side. Nice and golden brown on both sides, guys. Nice and golden brown. That's what we want. Now we're going to go in the same skillet with our sauce right on top. And the same skillet is going into the oven. It's okay if it runs over, that's just fine. Still we can handle it. Top this off with our cheese. We're going to put this in the oven. Okay guys, we are ready to come out of the oven. I want you guys to see it coming out of the actual oven. Oh my goodness, look at this, look at this. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh my goodness, I want to bring you guys up close. Okay guys, we are all out of the oven. All we need to do is build the sandwiches. I'm going to build one because this looks amazing. You can also add more sauce and just use it with pasta underneath it. Guys, you don't have to use the bread. You don't have to use the sandwich. And if you are using keto or paleo, I just made a keto bread the other day. Don't forget to check out that recipe. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so you'll always get my videos. Okay guys, let's go ahead and put one of these on the sandwich. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Don't forget to share the video out and give me a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you guys could just smell this, it is amazing, amazing, amazing. Then all you have to do, guys, is top it off with your bun. That's it, top it off with your bun. And there you have it. Oh my goodness. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm getting ready to go have dinner and I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.